In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change featured image in Twitter social posts in HubSpot. So in order to do that, you first need to head over right here into your HubSpot. And once you're in there, head over to the marketing and click on social right here. Now you can see right here that this particular option is available on the marketing hub. So you can start a 14-day free trial or just purchase it. So this particular tab is only available under the Marketing Hub Professional, and as of right now, I have in here this. So what you can do is you just need to head over to the X and then locate the post that you want to get. Like for example, let's get right here this post. You can do so by clicking onto the post itself, or you can also click onto the share icon right here and copy the link. Once you have copied it, head back to your HubSpot and add your link right here and wait for the preview. Once you're in there, you can just go over and upload it and publish and schedule it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.